everybody, welcome to Cryptopia. All right, so I haven't made some videos for a while here. I've just been doing a lot of stuff focusing on building our clinic and doing some other amazing things, trying to change the world, become a better person. And well, guys, gals, everybody, I'm back. I'm going to be making some more videos. We're going to be doing a lot more tutorial videos here on Cryptopia. How-tos, the what-nots and the what-tos in crypto, where you can make some gains and lots of different aspects around crypto. Okay, so the Cryptopia YouTube channel, we're going to get a little bit more educational. And if you really want to start looking for those kind of low-cap degen plays, go over and check out our sister channel, Apetopia. Okay, so we have Cryptopia, which is going to start focusing a bit more on educational, personal growth, and opportunities to better your life, whether that's through financial freedom or through personal growth and experiences, or helping the world at large through charities and different things like that, helping to build clinics. This is what you're going to find at Cryptopia. Okay, and if you really want to, explore low cap gem projects and coins and different things like that, well, go over and check out our sister channel, Apetopia. Okay, so that's where you're going to find all the degen apes. So just wanted to kind of throw that out there. But right now, I think there's a lot of fear in the market. There's a lot of people that are afraid what's going on with Bitcoin, what's going on with crypto. Is the bull run over? I see a lot of fear in the market, in the Telegram chats and the different places that I'm at. People are selling at losses because they think it's going to continue to crash. And this is fear. Okay, check out the fear and greed index. And when you're in extreme fear is when we're supposed to be buying, not selling. And when we're in extreme greed, this is when we're supposed to be selling, not buying. And unfortunately, our emotions and our mind and everything about us says, oh my God, I'm down 70% on my initial investment. I think I should sell it. And, maybe I can buy in cheaper. And you have all of these emotions. And this is where you lose your butt. Now, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. I'm just telling you my own personal experiences, what I think, what I feel, but this is not financial advice. Okay. So the one thing I will say though, when the market is in extreme fear, this is where you should be looking for opportunities, and you should be buying or DCAing in, positioning yourself, holding until the markets really quick kick up. I do still believe that we're going to see $120,000 Bitcoin, maybe 130, maybe even if things that the sun, the moon, and the stars and everything are aligned, maybe even $150,000 Bitcoin. It could happen. It could. It really, really could. But realistically, I'm going to be happy with $100,000, $110,000, $115,000 Bitcoin. Anywhere in that price range, I'm going to be ecstatic, and I'm sure you guys will too, because anything that you're invested in is going to fly. Even the most secure projects, so I don't care if you're in the top 50 projects in crypto, you're going to see a 5-10x on those if we see Bitcoin get to 115, 120K. That's just inevitable. The lower you go down on the chart, if you get into the top 500, the top 1,000, if you go over to Apetopia, you're going to see a lot of projects then there that are, $200,000 market caps, $500,000 market caps that could do, 1,000x. That's the reality. And it's about positioning yourself, leveraging your risk to reward, what feels right for you. I'm not here to tell you what that is, but I will say, don't follow the sheep into the fear mongering. Okay, don't just follow them blindly going, oh my God, that's over and everything's crashing, and don't do that. I mean, if you're down, just hold, take a deep breath. Okay, take a deep breath. We're all here to make gains. And like I said, if you're looking to find a little bit of peace, this is a good place. Cryptopia is a good place for you. Hit that like and subscribe button, turn on that bell notification, and just know that, just hold. Okay, take a deep breath. Don't listen to all the chart analysis that the thing is, Bitcoin might go lower. Bitcoin might go lower than it is right now. I mean, it might go down to a $40,000 Bitcoin, and then it bounces and we still go up to that $120,000. I'm not here to talk about charts. I'm not saying that it's not going to go lower. It might go lower, but it might not. Okay, so if you're already got a position, if you're in there, just, in my personal opinion, hold, take a deep breath, and wait for better days. I think by the end of 2024, early 2025, we're going to see some fireworks. And like I said, and if it doesn't, you know, we're not going to really, it's not going to go much lower than where it's at, you know, so just take a deep breath and hold. That's all I can say. So everybody, if you're watching this video, thank you for being a loyal supporter of Cryptopia. We really appreciate all of your support, all of your love, all of the likes, all of the subscribes, all of the bells, all of the comments. We love it. And seriously, if you want to get involved with us, if you want to help out with any of the things that we're doing in charity, if you want to get involved with any of the other stuff that we're doing over on Apetopia, please click all the links in the description below, and we would definitely love to have you as part of our community. So thank you for watching this video. All I can say, hold true to yourself. What brought you into crypto? Don't sell at crazy losses because you're in fear, because you watch some YouTuber saying that Bitcoin's going to go to $30,000. Don't just hold, take a deep breath. We're still going to see some amazing gains at this bull run. That's all I can say. Okay, so if this video resonates with you at all, hit that like and subscribe, turn on that bell notifications. Feel free to leave a comment. And like I said, if you're ever in Guatemala, come down here and hang out at my Eco Hotel. We'd love to have you in the jungle. Maybe you can see the clinic that we're building. You can hang out with some of the kids. You can help at the school. You can truly make a positive impact on this world through small things. And like I said, that's what, for me, that's what crypto is about. Helping other people become financially independent, helping you succeed, make your dreams, make some wealth, and then hopefully you can use that wealth to help make the world a better place. Whether that's with me here in Guatemala, or maybe it's in your own hometown, maybe you can help people and do something. But for me, I think there's responsibility that when one person, or when we become successful or financially free or independent or wealthy, it's our responsibility to help up other people and help uplift them and help them fulfill their dreams. That's for me what true human nature is, and that's what we should all be striving for. So if any of this resonates, please like, subscribe, follow, leave a comment, join our socials. We would love to have you in our community. Everybody, take care, don't forget to smile, and we'll see you on the moon.